Here's your concise market update. Global stocks are sinking as China's growth concerns rattle markets. China reported significant economic data misses in July, and in a move raising concerns about transparency, will cease publishing youth unemployment numbers after record highs. Bearish mood. Michael Burry, known for The Big Short, has bought bearish options against the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100, putting $1.6 billion into put options. Barry's Cyan Asset Management also exited stakes in Alibaba and JD. U.S. market impact. Dow futures are down 225 points and S&P 500 E-mini futures are down 0.6%. U.S. stocks are under pressure after strong July retail sales data fueled interest rate hike fears. Banking woes. Shares of major U.S. banks are tumbling after Fitch warned of potential downgrades for several, including J.P. Morgan, following strong retail sales data. Russian response. Amid the ruble's crash, the Russian central bank held an emergency meeting, hiking rates sharply to 12% from 8.50%. Corporate highlights. Hawaiian Electric's stock has plunged 26% after S&P downgraded its credit to junk due to risks from Maui wildfire lawsuits. AMC stock is rallying after initial losses on a stock conversion plan approval. Home Depot reported slip in comparable sales but beat Q2 profit and sales estimates, despite the home improvement boom fading. Notable moves. PayPal is down by 5% after Elliott Investment Management dumped their position. Remember to like this update, share your comments, and hit the bell icon to get notifications. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the most concise and clear market updates.
Thank you for tuning in.